Good morning all of you. Now today I am going to start a new topic from unit 3rd. C part, hypersensitivity reactions, human stimulation and human suppression. So I will discuss hypersensitivity reactions. Now come on slides. First we see here definition of hypersensitivity. As we know that a person who is overly reactive to a substance that is tolerated by most other people is said to be allergic or hypersensitivity. Hypersensitive. Hypersensitivity refers to undesirable reactions, okay, which produced by the normal immune system, including allergies and autoimmunity. These reactions may be damaging, uncomfortable, or occasionally fatal. ठीक है, human beings feel uneasy, uncomfortable, and sometimes it causes death also. Now classification is very important. Types of hypersensitivity. So type first, type second, type third, and type fourth. These are classified into 4 groups. So type first is also known as anaphylactic reactions. Anaphylactic reactions or immediate or atopic. Type second is antibody dependent. Type second is cytotoxic reaction, and type third is immune complex, and type fourth is delayed hypersensitivity. Here there is some mistakes you can see here. This is a type first, that is anaphylactic reactions. This is the type second. Yes, should be given only one. It should be type second. Okay, this is the type third. Type third. You can write in this way, type third. Okay, this is the type fourth. There is a mistakes you can see here, and kindly correct it. Type first, type second, type third, and type fourth. Type fourth is also known as cell mediated or delayed type of hypersensitivity. Now type first, immediate or anaphylactic hypersensitivity. You can see here type first hypersensitivity. uh, Type first hypersensitivity, also known as immediate or anaphylactic hypersensitivity. As we know that ana means a Greek word which meaning is against. Phylaxis means protection, against protections. ठीक है, तो anaphylactic reactions or anaphylaxis means opposite to protected. Due to some reactions, they enhance the suppression of immune instead of protections. They act against the protection, okay, while formed for protections. Now the reactions may involve skin, urticaria and eczema, eyes या conjunctivitis, nasopharynx, rhinorrhea, rhinitis, bronchopulmonary tissues as asthma and gastrointestinal tract या gastroenteritis. Okay. Now the reactions may cause a range of symptoms from minor inconvenience to death. The reactions usually takes 15 to 30 minutes from the time of exposure to the antigens, although sometimes it may have a delayed onset 10 to 12 hours. The time may be vary a little bit. Here is given 15 to 30 minutes, or you can see anywhere 2 to 30 minutes. Okay, so um, here in this mast cell basophils and mainly immunoglobulins involve IgE. Okay. Now the mediated by Ig antibodies to specific antigens, as we know earlier we have discussed that Ag is responsible in allergic reaction. The primary cellular components in this hypersensitivity is the mast cells or basophil. Okay. The reactions is amplified and or modified by platelets, neutrophils and eosinophils. Mast cells stimulates and release histamines. जो ये मास्ट सेल है बेसोसेल्स है, ठीक है, इसके सरफेस पे आईजीई एंटीबॉडीज़ ये क्या करती है, बाइंड अप करती है इसके एफसी रिसेप्टर पे, ठीक है, ये बाइंड अप करती है कौन, आईजीई एंटीबॉडीज़. Okay, then allergens comes on attached to the surface of these Fc receptors of mast cell. Okay, then degranulations takes place. Okay, degranulations take place and it burst and release granules such as a histamine, serotonin, leukotrienes, etc., and they produce specific reactions. Persons feel uneasy. Okay, now you can see here a given chart. Allergens are parasitic antigens that can stimulate a type 1 hypersensitivity responses. You can see here with respect to protein, plant pollens, drugs, foods, insect products and mold spores. Here proteins for serum and vaccines. प्लांट्स में है राई ग्रास एंड रैगवीट एंड ड्रग्स में पेंसिलिन है, सैलिसिलेट्स है, फूड्स में नट्स, मिल्क्स, एग्स. ओके, इंसेक्ट्स में वी वेनम है, वॉस्प वेनम है. दीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर टाइप फर्स्ट hypersensitivity. Now, atopic individuals have higher levels of Ig and eosinophils. Atopy is the term for the genetic trait to have a predispositions for localized anaphylaxis. Now, mechanisms. Initial introductions of antigens produce an antibodies responses, more specifically the type of antigens and the way in which it is administered induce the synthesis of IgE antibody. In particular, this immunoglobulin Ig binds with specific to receptors on the surface of mast cells or basophils, ठीक है, which remains circulating. Now, reintroduced antigens interacts with Ig on the mast cells, causing the cells to degranulate. Okay, degranulate and release large amount of histamine, lipid mediators, and chemotactic factors that causes a smooth muscle contraction, vasodilation, increased vascular permeability, bronchoconstriction, and edema. These reactions occur very suddenly, causing death. Now, histamines and cytokinins, ठीक है, and enzymes is tryptase, kinase, changes in connective tissue matrix, tissue breakdown, leukotrienes and prostaglandins. These are secreted by these mast cells and basophils after degranulations. You can see here that how allergens bind. You can see here this is a mast cell, this is the mast cell or basophils. It may be mast cells or basophils where these are the antibodies. As we know that the structures of immunoglobulins or antibodies in Y shape. Okay, in Y shape there is an FAB receptors and FC receptors. Okay, so here you can see that these are granules which are enclosed at these times, but after binding with antigens at the top, this is allergens. Okay, these allergens bind with antibodies, then there is alteration in attachments and degranulations takes place. You can see here, after degranulations, these are releases, histamines and leukotrienes chemicals are released. Okay. Now, diagnosis. Diagnostic tests for immediate hypersensitivity include skin test, measurement of total IgE and specific IgE antibodies against the suspected allergens. Total IgE and specific IgE antibodies are measured by a modification of enzyme immunoassay, that is ELISA. Increased IgE levels are indicative of an atopic conditions, although IgE may be elevated in some non-atopic diseases, myelomas, helminthic infections, etc. Now, treatment: non-steroidal anti-inflammatory antihistamines block histamine receptors, theophylline or epinephrine prolongs or increase CMP levels in mast cells, which inhibits degranulations. Okay, this is the treatment. Now, immunotherapy desensitizations, also known as allergy shots, repeated injections of allergens to reduce the IgE on the mast cells and produce IgG. Now next है type 2 hypersensitivity. Type 2 hypersensitivity is also known as a cytotoxic reaction. Okay. Now type 2 hypersensitivity, here is also you can see there is a little bit correction is required. टाइप फर्स्ट लिखा हुआ है, इट शुड बी टाइप 2 hypersensitivity and also known as a cytotoxic hypersensitivity and may affect variety of organs and tissues. The antigens are normally endogenous, although exogenous chemicals, that is haptens, which can attach to cell membranes and can also lead to type 2 hypersensitivity. Okay, you can see here a little bit correction is required. Type 2 hypersensitivity. Drug-induced hemolytic anemia, granulocytopenia and thrombocytopenia are such examples. Penicillin's allergy also belong to this class. Now, the next point, the reaction time is minutes to hours. It takes from some minutes to hours. Type 2 hypersensitivity is primarily mediated by antibodies of IgM or IgE classes and complement. Okay, in type 1, IgE is involved, in second IgM and IgE immunoglobulins are involved. Okay, phagocytes may also play a role. The lysins contains antibodies, complement and neutrophils. Okay, now here you can see hemolytic disease of a newborn, RH factor incompatibility. So IgG antibodies to RH and in occurs RBC antigens. So RH positive baby born to RH negative mother first time fine, second time can have antibodies to RH from first pregnancy, and antibodies crosses placenta and baby kills its own RBCC. Treatment: mother with heavy to RH antigens right after birth and mother never makes its own immune response. ओके, ये जो एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल्स है जिसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, एरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फिटेलिस. एरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फिटेलिस में होता क्या है, देखिए RH एंटीजन है जो कि RBC के सरफेस पे प्रेजेंट होता है. RH मतलब रिसस एंटीजन्स है ना, विच फाउंड इन मंकी. तो देखिए जैसे हस्बैंड RH पॉजिटिव है, मतलब फादर RH पॉजिटिव है, मदर RH निगेटिव है. तो मदर RH निगेटिव है और फादर RH पॉजिटिव है, जो बेबी प्रोड्यूस हुआ सपोज दैट वो RH पॉजिटिव है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी में जो RH पॉजिटिव है बेबी और मदर क्या है RH निगेटिव, तो ऊम्ब में वो बच्चा डेवलप्ड होगा. फर्स्ट जब डिलीवरी होगी, ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या होगा, जो मदर का RH निगेटिव है और बच्चे का जो RH पॉजिटिव है उसमें क्या हो जाएगा, वो डिफ्यूज़ कर जाएगा। ठीक है, जो उसकी एंटीबॉडीज़ है वो क्या करेगी, उसमें डिफ्यूज़ कर जाएगी। ये कैसे होगा, ये रप्चर ऑफ प्लेसेंटा की वजह से होगा और फर्स्ट टाइम डिलीवरी के टाइम ये होगा। ओके, ड्यूरिंग द बर्थ। तो ड्यू टू द रप्चर ऑफ प्लेसेंटा ये क्या कर जाएगा, मिक्स कर जाएगा मदर का RH पॉजिटिव, मदर का RH निगेटिव और बेबी का RH पॉजिटिव। ओके, तो ये एंटीबॉडीज़ प्रोड्यूस करने लगेगा। ठीक है, तो ये जब सेकेंड डिलीवरी होगी तब ये उसके अगेंस्ट काम करने लगेगा। ठीक है, इसमें प्लेसेंटा को क्रॉस कर जाएगा। ओके, जो RH निगेटिव है वो बेबी में क्या कर जाएगा, वो प्लेसेंटा को क्रॉस कर जाएगा। ठीक है, तो इट कंटेंस, जो RH पॉजिटिव बेबी है, इट कंटेंस RH एंटीबॉडीज एंड काजेज आइदर डेथ और सीवियर एनेमिक कंडीशंस ड्यू टू कोलैप्स। ठीक है, तो इसे ही हम क्या बोलते हैं, एरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस विटालिस बोलते हैं। सेल डैमेज हो जाता है, तो ये बेस्ट एग्जांपल है। यू कैन सी हियर इन दिस डायग्राम आल्सो। ओके, इसमें you can see from mother to baby comes this RH antibodies which produce more RH antibodies which causes death of second baby. Okay, now diagnostic tests include detections of circulating antibodies against the tissue involved and the presence of antibodies and complement in the lesion. बायोप्सीज बाय इम्यूनोफ्लोरेसेंस। बायोप्सी क्या है, बायोप्सीज में हम अफेक्टेड या एबनॉर्मल टिश्यू को या फ्लूइड्स को या उस पार्ट्स को लेकर के उसका हम एग्जामिनेट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड बायोप्सीज। द स्टैनिंग पैटर्न इज नॉर्मली स्मूथ एंड लीनियर सच एज दैट सीन इन अ गुडपोशस नेफ्राइटिस lung basement membrane. Treatment involves anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive agent. Now next, that is a type 3. Antigens, antibodies, immune complexes, Ig mediated large amount of antigens and antibodies from complexes in blood. If not eliminated, can deposit in capillaries or joints and triggers inflammation. Okay, type 3 is also known as immune complex. The reaction may be a general. Serum sickness may involve individual organs include skin, systemic lupus, erytheromatous, arthus reactions, kidneys, lungs and joints जैसे rheumatoid arthritis or other organs. The reactions may be the pathogenic mechanisms of disease caused by many microorganisms, and the reactions may take 3 to 10 hours after exposure to the antigens. It is mediated by the soluble immune complexes. They are mostly of the Ig class, although IgM may also involved in it. The antigens may be exogenous, chronic bacterial, viral or parasitic infections, or endogenous non-organ specific autoimmunity is systemic lupus erythematosus. Okay, the antigens is soluble and not attached to the organ involved. PMNS and macrophages bind to immune complexes via FCR and phagocytic the complexes, and but if unable to phagocytes, the immune complexes can cause inflammation via C activation, C3, C4a, C5a and frustrated phagocytes. Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosis involve examination of tissues, biopsies for deposits of immunoglobulins and complement by the immunofluorescence microscopy, the presence of immune complexes in serum and depletions in the level of complement are also diagnostic. Treatments include anti-inflammatory agents. Now type fourth is also known as a type fourth is also known as a delayed hypersensitivity, means it takes much more times, and the release of its lymphokinase as a mediators and amplifiers mediated by cell rather than antibodies. Clinical states: contact dermatitis, transplant rejections, granuloma, and T helper cells release cytokines to activate macrophages, causing inflammation and tissue damage. Continuous macrophages activation can cause chronic inflammation, resulting in tissue lesions, scarring, and granuloma formation. Response start after 48 to 72 hours. This is the chart given. You can see delayed hypersensitivity reactions. ओके, टाइप है रिएक्शंस, टाइम है, क्लिनिकल अपीयरेंस है, हिस्टोलॉजी है, एंटीजेंस एंड साइट्स हैं. यू कैन सी. नाउ डायग्नोसिस एंड ट्रीटमेंट. डायग्नोस्टिक tests in vivo include delayed cutaneous reactions, is a Montag test used for TB, and patches test for contact dermatitis. In vitro tests for delayed hypersensitivity include mitogenic response, lymphocytotoxics, and leukotrienes 2 productions, and corticosteroids and other immune suppressive agents are used in treatment. Okay, here you can see characteristics: type 1st anaphylactics, type 2nd, type 3rd, and type 4th. All are given in these charts, and there is a comparisons between each and others, and differences are given there. You can compare and read. Here in this chart also given as a summary: type 1st, type 2nd, type 3rd, and type 4th, how they are involved in these antibodies, and which antibodies is involved in which type of hypersensitivity reactions. You can compare, and you can see the involvement of that particular immunoglobulins in these different types of hypersensitivity reactions. Okay, now it's completed. Okay, now C part of unit 3rd completed, has hypersensitivity reactions.